YouTube, what's going on? Mike. Promised you guys another tool, I guess specialty tool video. So this is like a minor one. I'm kind of like winging it, just cleaning up a little bit for the vacation I'm about to take. And yeah, here's the van right now. But I'm gonna show you these tools. They're just, it's not as much as the first video, but it's definitely a different just some different stuff you can get that you can add on that might be, I don't want to say specific for appliance repair, but definitely will help you out, some point. You can keep it on your van, and at some point, all right, so let me flip this around. All right, so yeah, a little messy right now, so my lift is still in here. Yeah, so all right, let's start out real quick. So this is pretty apparent. This is a gas sniffer, so any leaks and stuff on gas dryers, gas ranges, stuff like that, this is a good tool to get. I mean, there's several different ones. I've used it a couple times now, not on just say leaks, but just testing it just to see if it works, and it does. So gas, if customers like smell gas or is leaking, this can give you an idea where it might be coming from. Yeah, so I picked this up on Amazon. It was like 30 bucks. So yeah, get you one of these, especially up north. Like, I'm in South Florida, so not a lot of gas, but it's definitely needed, especially for people that have a lot of gas. Next thing is this key. Haven't used it that much, but it definitely will help you getting wires out of Molex connectors. And matter of fact, any type of adapter, anything that's connected to like something like this, and yeah, excuse the mess, but anything something like this thing, you can find a certain one and it'll pop the terminal right out. If there's anything is damaged or you need something to repair, a key with all different ones. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, all different ones you can use to get connectors out. So have that. One thing I didn't add last time, which is apparent, coil brush. This is like, I would say this is a necessity too, because you go in a customer's house and you just add a quick serve, and then you want to clean up where you're working at too most of the time. Sometimes I understand some jobs is just too bad, you don't even want to get in there, but yeah, coil brush, need one of those. While I'm at it, I don't want to say it's necessary, but electronic cleaner. I've used this for Whirlpool washers. When the pressure switch is you'll get that, I believe is like an F35 code or something like that. I've used this a couple times and this saved me from actually getting the part and no callback. So yeah, that this thing, I've only used it a couple times when I needed to. It actually goes along with that box that says furniture lifter. There's got my pads underneath it, but pretty much what this does, the best way to explain it, is like any fridge you need to get under or prop up or put pads to get your sliders under, this thing is awesome. Like, you just, I guess the best way I can demonstrate it, you put it up under something and it gives you the lift. So yeah, I actually got this idea from a fellow technician, Appliance, if you're watching, brother D. Yeah, that he showed me a different one, but I got one similar, and that was that. But yeah, that'll help you. Tubing cutter. I don't know if I showed this last time. I don't think I did. If I did, sorry. But yeah, any copper lines with refrigerators. I mean, nowadays you'll have lines that are not copper, stainless steel braided or plastic or whatever. But yeah, if you ever break one and you need to repair one, having this is essential. Make sure you get one of these. Everything else here is not like, I don't want to say necessity, so don't go, you don't have to get these things. These are just extra things that I have. Like I said, these, now I've had these for a while, but I don't use them as much because I don't run into the dryer rollers or any lock pin mechanism that much. But pretty much this is what you want to get those rings off, to get the ring off. So that's what these are for. Yeah, don't use them too much, when I do need them, I need them though. So these always stay in my bag. They were in there last time, but I just forgot to show them. All of these little things, these are not necessities. These are more like stuff when you have bigger jobs like tub or, you know, bearings or something, and you have a nut that's rusted on. These are pretty much like, you know, these will break the nuts off and try to get them. I haven't really used them yet, so I haven't ran into them, but I've used them on my vehicle and stuff like that. That's what actually made me buy it, and I just like, let me just add it to the you know, to the tools. So you never know. This thing here, this was kind of crucial for me. I don't know if I probably just showed the box but not exactly what's in it, but this has all my let me back up with the light. Yeah, security tips in it. So you see the bits with the holes in it, those are on commercial style washers most of the time, so people can't get into them, stuff like that. So yeah, security bits, these things right here, you might not come across them that often, but you know, when you need them, you need them. So keep those in there. I barely use these bits, but like I said, bits you need to have a lot. I'm just running through it, not that much I got left. This one, you guys might have seen this from the other video I did. I only actually used this once, and it's like just for me to test it out, just to see how it worked, and you know, so I don't get in front of a customer and don't know what I'm doing. But I can't even say I'm, because you know, I know I've been diagnosing ice makers without this thing, and to keep it around in my bag is like so, but it's very interesting. You put this on the ice maker and you press series of buttons. It'll tell you what to do and what to look for, and the actual ice maker will perform those actions, and it will light up in here, and you'll see the lights, and that will tell you if it's good or bad or anything like that. So yeah, this is very, very handy, and same brother that gave me this idea put me onto this too. So you know, this was a pretty, this was almost $100 for this, but like I said, I'm a tool person. It's not necessary to have it. You just look cool and more professional in front of certain customers. But I can't even lie and say I use it and used it that much, because you know, once you're working and you're in and out of jobs, it's like so I'm gonna start trying to use it more, because I did pay for it. But you know, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I didn't have that much. It's not that much for appliance repair or tools, but I did want to stress something. Let me go around my van real quick. Van needs to wash. I am definitely working on getting it wrapped the beginning of January, or in January. But what was I going to show over here? Some of my parts, my tools. You already seen those. I'm gonna show you guys something. All right. Yeah, lights, but main thing, charger. I can't tell you how many times my drills die, but I have everything that I use on the same battery. So even my light source now, and see, I have extra lights, but since I've been using this light here, I mean, since I installed this battery, this thing hasn't died, and I use it religiously. It's been about 3 weeks. So yeah, I keep the charger here. So this charges this battery, and my 2 other drills that I keep in there. So I never have a battery problem. If I run out, I usually, a matter of fact, I need to switch one out right now while I'm at it. I'm actually about to hit the road. Today wasn't I usually start in the morning early, and then, you know, try to get home earlier. But today I wanted to make sure I get this video out. And I'm really, like, I don't want to say I'm pretty much shutting down within the next day here. So Friday, I don't even know if I'm working. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, this one was bad. I was on a job yesterday, and I just switched it out with my Phillips. Yeah, I call this drill my my 1/4 inch and 5/16 driver, and my other one is usually Phillips and whatever, because I can just swap them out real quick. So if it's Torx or Star Tip, anything like that, I can just swap it out. And the other one, I'm telling you, for me, it's very efficient. I don't have to go in there, change bits. I used to hate doing that. But yeah, pretty much that's it for the tools. It's a little messy here. yeah, nothing I can do at the moment but clean. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. I'm gonna hit the road. Check out the hat, Mike Check Appliance. I've worn it before, so I don't know if you guys seen it before, but yeah, definitely it's City Lokes. Get your business wherever your state is and get your business. I've had a lot of people ask me, what's that, or what, you know, just the conversation. So yeah, I'm gonna put my tools up, hit the road. So yeah, I just wanted to, I promised the video, I'm getting it out to you guys. I just want to tell everybody, have I guess happy holidays, you know. I'm gonna put out another video of me, you know, on the road doing my thing, giving you guys the full update and all that. But just wanted to get this video out on the tools. Hopefully it helps you guys, you know. There are really no specific tools for appliance repair, but there are tools that are for appliance repair that will help you and are necessary. So yeah, anything that I showed from the last video, I want to say the first video was more important than the stuff in this video, but like I said, I use everything when I can, and to have it is, you know, you do not want to have it when you don't have it. I'm like, dang, I wish I had this tool. So yeah, get yourself prepared when you're out here working. Tools are everything. How you look with your tools are everything, and I'm gonna tell you guys that much. That's pretty much it. But you guys take care and enjoy your holidays, man. That's about it.